The British Armed Forces have ordered 4 amphibious Rheinmetall Mission Master robotic vehicles (UGVs). Configured for transporting cargo, these unmanned ground vehicles will form part of the United Kingdom's Robotic Platoon Vehicle program. The 4 Mission Master cargo vehicles will be delivered throughout the spring of 2020. The order, which was placed at the end of 2019, also includes training and service support, as well as spare parts. The vehicles will be supplied by Rheinmetall Canada, with Rheinmetall BA Land System providing on-location support services in its capacity as cooperation partner. Robotics is already changing the modern battlefield. A modular unmanned ground vehicle (UGV), Rheinmetall's new Mission Master, enhances the combat performance of soldiers deployed on the ground in numerous ways. Ready for action, Rheinmetall Mission Master can operate in autonomous or semi-autonomous mode as a fully fledged member of the combat team. Speed, scalable autonomy, and proven high mobility in all types of terrain combine to make the amphibious Mission Master a powerful, highly reliable comrade of dismounted forces operating in smaller groups.